Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene. I am sitting here. Actually, I just started making jewelry. I was working on some other projects. But what I'm getting ready to make is a double strand necklace. So this is the first strand. And I did the first strand because I didn't want the video to be too long. So I am going to make the second strand, and we're going to go ahead and use a couple of these bead caps. And I hope everybody is having a really good day. You've been out moving around, maybe on a walk or to do some errands or to see some folk or just to go do something. A group of myself and some friends went out and we walked around the Japanese friendship garden here in San Diego. And we spent about maybe about an hour and a half up there walking around, just talking and praying and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much how we started out the day. And then I stopped at two different places and then I ended up coming home. You know how sometimes you just want to come home? And that's what I wanted. I just wanted to come home. So this is what we're doing so far, these glass beads. I'm going to use a lot of these glass beads. And I'm going to just be mixing up some stuff. I don't know what I'm mixing up in here, but we're going to mix it to try to come out with something pretty and colorful. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to use a couple of the same beads that's on that strand. Actually, you know what? Let me use some reds. Want to try to get something different. A two-strand. Just a two-strand bracelet. We're going to try something out, and I'm going to close it off with this bead because it has a really big hole. So it should come out. Hopefully it'll come out like what I'm thinking it's gonna come out looking like. Let's see. And we are going to use a couple of these green clay beads. And then we are going to use some more of the glass square beads. I really like these beads. I just ordered some more beads last night. Not these particular beads, but some more glass beads, 8mm. I like working with the 8mm. One reason, they're very comfortable on the wrist for bracelets. And no matter how many you have on, they're still comfortable. Shoot, I almost can't see this hole. And it's like, Darlene, the hole is right there. The hole is looking at me saying, girl, I'm right here. And I'm looking at the hole saying, I know that, but I still can't see you. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more color on here, like maybe these yellow beads. These right here. And these are all glass beads. So that's what we're going to do. See what we come out with. Oh, you know what? Or maybe, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's use a couple more caps. See if we can find a couple that match. Like, grab that one, and then let me see if there's another one in here like that one. And it looks like it is. This one right here. So we'll use this one. And then we'll put this yellow bead. And then we'll put the cap on it. And it comes out looking like that. So let's try. Let's see if we can make a match on the other side. And then that's the thing, like with this batch that I got of these bead caps, they gave a lot of little bitty bead caps, and I don't want these little bitty bead caps. When I say little bitty, I'm thinking like 6mm maybe. And it's more of those than it is anything. So there's another one of these. I'm gonna see if there's another one like this in here. If not, I'm gonna have to try something else. Um, nope, don't see none. However, let's see. Oh, okay, here's one right here. So this is the same exact size. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. And we're gonna use the yellow bead because I think I got, is it the same size though? It's not the same size yellow bead. That's okay, we're gonna still use it. And then just see what we come out with. If it don't look right, you already know I will take it apart. So I do like the way that looks. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bead it again with, how about we use yellow beads right here, these right here. Just to give it some jazz. Right at that midpoint, right? And then when I look at it, I don't like it. They look big and out of place. So if there's some smaller beads, the smaller ones would work. And let's just do this. We're just gonna keep on riding with what we got. Let's go with some green ones, the green glass beads. Green glass beads. And I really like the way that looks so far, very pretty. And we're gonna go ahead and put a couple more of these clay beads on here. Put one on this side. And then this is what we got. That's pretty. And I think that might be just long enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take both strands, being careful to pull them together, and then let's see what we get. So it'll be a double. So what I'm gonna do, so what I did is I get two strands. On this one, hold on. This one seems shorter. So I'm gonna find a small bead, like maybe a red one. And we'll put that on here. And then we'll look at it again and see if they're about the same length. Okay, so let's grab them. All right, so we got both strands like this. And what I'm gonna do, I need to hold this side nice and tight. I'm gonna take this bead, well, let's use this one. This bead right here, which has the big hole. I'm gonna go ahead and put it through both sides. And then what we want to do, hold on, let me grab it. Make sure you cut enough cord too, so when you begin to tie it, you have enough cord to actually work with. So we can do it to where it's just straight like this, or if you want to, you can wrap it like this. Hold on. Like it's twisted around, and then do it that way. And in fact, that's the way I'm going to do it. So let me start to tie it. both of them. And then we're going to tie it nice and tight. We're going to tie it again. And with this, if you want to, you can burn the cord, or you can glue it down if you want to, however you want to do it. So hopefully this has been in the camera the whole time. I couldn't see. Tie it one more time. And I could tie this much, remember, because it has a big hole. Tie one more time, double. And then I'll pull it, and then we're going to go ahead and cut the extra. Cut that extra cord off. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and hide it in that big bead like that. So that hides it. And then we have a double bracelet. So this is what we got. We have a double bracelet. That's really cool. I really like that. Do I want to put, you can always put jump rings, or no, I don't think I would do anything to it, because I was thinking I can put jump rings to bring them together, like right here in the front, but nah, or even charms. I wouldn't even put charms on it. If anything, I would just match it with some other bracelets. So you got actually two bracelets on. Actually one bracelet, but it looks like two bracelets. So that's really pretty. I really like this. You can wear it either like this or this way, but either way you got two bracelets. And I think what happened is one of them, I might have put one bead too many, but it's still fine, because even if you match it with some other bracelets, it's still will wear really nice, mixed with other bracelets or even just alone. This is really pretty. I really like this. So we made a double strand bracelet. That's one bracelet using that big bead. And these are some beautiful beads too. These glass beads, I like the way they shine. They look very rich, very high quality. And anytime you start mixing the different materials together, they call that mixed media. So we got clay up in here, we got glass, we got metal. These are really pretty. And I'm just so in love with these little beads right here. I need to order some more of them, but I haven't even used all the ones I got yet, right? But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk. I'll be back. We'll talk.